This is verse 14, the 6th chapter, Gospel of Matthew. This is the concluding comment that Jesus makes concerning the prayer that he has just given to his disciples. And he focuses in, of course, on the petition that indicates that we are requesting God's forgiveness as we have forgiven others. And that's the point that Jesus wants to emphasize here. So we have ean, means if, takes the subjunctive. So here's the subjunctive. Postpositive gar, so for if. Second person plural, aorist active subjunctive. So if you forgive. The indirect object tois anthropos in the dative plural masculine, if you forgive two men. And then the direct object is ta in the accusative paraptomata. This means trespasses, a little different from hamartia, sins. A little broader word here. It actually is important that Jesus said this, because if he had used the word for debts, which came in the preceding comment, then people might have thought it only referred to financial obligations. Of course, Jesus wants to stretch the point way beyond that. This word is from parapipto. Pipto means to fall. Parapipto would mean to fall beside this, along the way, beside the way. And it was commonly used as an idea of committing a trespass, departing from the proper path is the idea here. This is the noun form of it in the accusative plural, the neuter word. So if you forgive to men the trespasses, auton, the possessive third-person pronoun, genitive, so if you forgive the trespasses of them, then same word here, aphese, this is from aphemi, as is this. It means to forgive. It's the future, so third-person singular future active indicative of aphemi. He will forgive. The subject is ho pater, so the Father will forgive. It is your Father, the second-person genitive plural pronoun, so the Father of you, in apposition, the heavenly one, the one who is in the heavens, functioning as an adjective here. So the Father of you, the heavenly one, kai humen, and he will also forgive you. Of course, this is not standing for the idea of some kind of works salvation, which some have misunderstood. It's simply saying that the heart that has sought forgiveness from God is going to be such a heart that will not hold grudges against others. If a person holds grudges against others, then that's really remarkable evidence that they've never really humbled themselves before God and sought his forgiveness. And so the mandate here is to be sure that as we are asking God for forgiveness, we are carrying out the corollary of that in our interpersonal relationships toward those who may have offended us.